Hi, my babies. I never in my life had a day this stressful. It was so stressful in here for shopping, trying to use the coupon. I am so trying to use coupon. I was so stressed out in the store. I just wanted to fall on the ground and start crying. I should have did this when I was at home. Hi, my babies. I'm at the Family Dollar store. Still have that stuff on clearance. Okay, why you guys didn't tell me that soap I bought was for something else? It wasn't no dish soap. Oh my god, I was so happy that I buy something and get something free. I used all my dish soap that I bought 6-7 months ago when that Family Dollar went out of business, and I bought a whole bunch of dish soap. So now I'm out. But I had bought that done. I was like, ooh, buy one, get one free. But anyway, yeah. Let's see what can we find today. They had these for $22.50. I don't know if that's a good sale. $22.50 over here. I don't know what they be doing in here. I'm not even gonna go down here. Thought they get their stuff on Friday and they did nothing. Okay. Ooh, there's a mess in here everywhere. Jesus. 5.45. I'm gonna say that's 5.45. That's 175. Remember them things used to be $1. Let's see how much is that. That Palmolive is $4. I don't know, guys. I might be getting back to my other 2-pack. I'm gonna see how much is this Dawn dish soap. Oh God, I can't even get down here. I'm gonna have to go to the other end. Okay, let's see. This is what I bought, guys. I'm so mad. I have bought one of those, and then you get that free. That's what I bought. But that's the way I am. I didn't see that power wash on it. Yeah, power wash. So now we need. Ooh, they got this. This is the Homeland for $2. They go to Dawn. Gee, I'm not very. Oh, that's that big one, $6.20. How much is this little one? This power wash too. Pressure. I don't know. So that AJ $4.20. The big one is $6.60. I don't see no big thing of Dawn. If I'm gonna go to Dawn, I wanna buy a big one. And it's the biggest they got right here, though. Okay, this is the biggest they got, and this is $6.20. Let's see. $3.75 for that one. Ajax. So I guess I go with Palmolive for $6.90, like $7. I don't know what would be cheap if I get the 2-pack. And then I see the 4 single rolls. Oh my God, somebody done bought them all. Oh Lord. Let's go see here how much the bounty is. I just bought a 4-pack of these at Kroger for $5. So let's go see how much their bounty is. Is that a good sale? $4.97, like $6 off. For the 6 double rolls equal 12, 3-ply. And it's those down there. I think that's a great sale for $5. I wonder how many can you get. I was able to find 2 of these, and it said $5, so you're really saving $6. So I'm gonna get the $25 worth of stuff so I can get $5 off. I hope you can get more than one. We'll see. Not bad at all. Oh my God, I just want to cry. I do not know how to use these coupons in the store. So one be $3 and the other one will be $2? I don't get it. How these coupons work. Oh, they got that for $1.47. squeeze dish soap. That's that stuff I bought. And that, or it say squeeze dish soap. I'll be back, guys. This is the. It looked like it, see? So these here will be $2 or $1.7. Can I get more than one, or do I have to just get one? Let's see. This right here is not dull. So let me try to find this. Is it dull? It's an easy squeeze. That don't say easy squeeze. Yeah. But what's those down there? Wait, let me see. Yeah, I don't think those down there is this either, because it's an easy squeeze. And yeah, it looks like somebody done cleaned them out. I don't see nothing that say easy squeeze. Okay, let me look. Okay, my baby, next time I'm gonna do this at home and study it. So I'm gonna get that. It say 2 for $5. The dish soap, the little one's supposed to be 50 cents. And I'm just gonna get a toilet paper to make it $10 more. So all this with the toilet paper should be $25. So I'm gonna do that. Let's hope and pray we can get 2 paper towels. Which one? So this is the toilet paper I use, and that is okay. $11.50. I thought it was $12. So we're gonna get one of these. I don't need it now, but just to get that $5 out, we're gonna get that. Toilet paper. We have 2 brownie paper towel. We have that Palmolive, and we have that one. It said it was 50 cents. I didn't see no more, and I don't even know, can you get more than one? So I just got one to be on the safe side. Just gonna get one of these little 125 for 30. So I get to Walmart, because I can get a lot of them for Walmart at like 200 for $6 or something. Ooh, water for $4. Oh no, don't need any dish soap yet. I mean, body soap yet. Let's see what's over here. Nice over here, finally. Look at the flowers. Okay, let's see what's over here I might need for the pots. Okay, guys, you only can get 1 paper towel. So what I did over here, I've been over here for about an hour trying to find something else that's $5. Well, I don't know. And this, hopefully, this will work as this. I don't know, they have to be the same or what. That's what you have to do, these coupon crap at home. You really do. Hopefully, I can get this for this. I hope. We'll see. Okay, guys, the sale for the deodorant didn't work. The paper towel wasn't even $5. So I had to put the paper towel back. I got the dish soap. Only thing I got was a plate dish soap, and I'm gonna go get another toilet paper. The paper towels, it didn't even work. But I did get the $5 out because I went on and got another toilet paper. See, that's why that is crazy. So I wasn't able to get any of the things that they had on sale. The paper towel, the dish soap, or the deodorant. I don't know. I have to sit down one day at home and learn how to use the coupon, because I have no idea how to use the coupons. I wasn't able to use any of the coupons. Bummer. But I'm going to sit down at home and figure it out. I got my other toilet paper. So yeah, I'm going to sit down at home and figure out how to use these coupons. Because it don't make no sense. You guys seen where it said the paper towels was for? I don't know. Maybe somebody in the comments can teach me how to use these coupons too. I'm just trying to save every little bit I can. This was a fail. Well, no, not really. I still got my $5 out. Cause I found that out. You only can use it on Saturday. So at least I did say $5. It's crazy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe till next time. See you later. Bye, my babies.